Good evening.
Okay then. Yes. Very good evening.
Welcome to the session. And I'm very
Yes.
excited and
Okay.
super energetic to have you here. So thank you so much
Okay.
for reaching out and showing up. So how are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. What's about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking me. And how was your day?
Yeah, my day, I can say good. Yes.
Okay, it was a productive day for you, isn't it?
Yes. I had a session also. So yes,
Yeah, it is
be
your second
productive.
sex.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is your second session.
Yes.
Great. Yeah, so great. So before dive into the session, shall we start with introduction first? So may I know something about you?
Yes, sure. My name is Lalita Jangid. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm homemaker and simultaneously I also run a YouTube channel, English with Lalita Kumari. And there I upload sometimes solo, sometimes conversation. Yeah. And if you talk about my qualification, I done my B.Ed and PG diploma in computers and my interest. So listening audiobook, try to cultivate reading habit also these days, apart from traveling. I'm blessed with a daughter. Yes, that's all about me.
Great. Lovely to hear that. And yeah, I would love to introduce myself. So my name is Kiran Saw. I'm from West Bengal. If I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors. And now I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. And now I'm running my YouTube channel where I upload English related content like solo video, conversational, and sometimes grammar video I upload. If I talk my hobbies, so reading, cooking, and interact new people, these are my hobbies. So that's all about me. So each
Okay.
day, due to
Lovely to hear you. Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
So I think yeah. Do you have any topic? Hello.
Actually, you suggested
Yeah.
me that topic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So so I have a topic. So shall we start with topic? Okay. So my first
Okay.
question is, mm, how much water is important for your life in your day-to-day life? So can you explain it in your own word?
Okay. So, how much water? Exactly. I think I don't know, but yeah, our body is water is very essential for us, and I think 60 to 70% of our body make from the water. So that's why for our healthy body, water is very essential for us, and yeah, dehydration that also very important. Yes. That's my point of view. I think 6 7 liters water is enough for our body, I think.
Great. Yeah. So I
Okay.
want to, yeah, according to me, if I talk myself and if I see surrounding, so I can see that without water, we can't imagine our life because whenever we get up, we need water, isn't it? And before going to bed, we need water. So whole day without
Yes.
water, we can't imagine our life. We can't live, right? So everything like cooking, washing, laundering, and dehydration our body, for everything we need water. So I can say that with water plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. So it's a vital role. So I would say that water, we can't waste water, and we should always try to save water. So that's my thought.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So great.
Yes. Okay.
So now move on in the second question. So have you experienced in your life that water shortage? Have you?
Okay.
Can you repeat
Yeah,
my question?
actually, yes, I get your
Okay.
question. Yes, in my earlier, I can say before marriage, I live in village. So that time we have, I can say, plenty of water, enough water, I can say. And I'm not, I can say we don't aware of. So we use I can say but now I can say we live in cities. So now I know very well the importance of water and scarcity that water also here, and we use tanker. So that is very costly, and now we use wisely water and one drop. So now I have the value of the water. Yeah, that's now I know.
Yeah, great.
Yes.
Because I have seen in my life personally, I have
Okay.
faced a lot of difficulties related to water, shortage water. Because after I left, due to some reason, I had to leave my own house. And after that, I faced a lot of difficulties because whenever you stay at a rental house, there were so many difficulties related to water, right? So in my life so far, I face uh, so many difficulties related to water. And one of is- initially when I stay rental house, they where I used to live. So their owner, I mean owner of house, he was so strict. He always filled water uh, partially, not he never tried to full the tank. Okay, and always
Okay.
he filled water partially of the in the trunk. Sorry, tank. So that's why whenever I felt that I need water, that time always my water has shortage. So that's why I feel that water is very important. And related to
Yes,
water,
yes.
I faced so many difficulty. And sometime I had to bring water from others house, because
Okay.
if without water we can't do anything, right? So that's why
Yes,
sometime I
yes.
had to bring some water from others house, please. One bucket, two bucket, offer me. Without water we can't do, right? So this type of things happened with me. And another house, when I went another house, so there also same kind of problem I had to face. So I can say in my whole life, after leaving my own house, before I was comfortable with water, and I never seen in my life that related to, I never face such kind of problem related to water. But just after leaving my own house, then after I face so many difficulty related to water. So most of time, shortage of water. So I can say that I'm experienced person, and now I try to save water. Not I don't like to nowadays. I don't like to waste water, because I have seen in my life that if you don't have much water, then it is very difficult, especially when you have child. So that's time very important. Every time, every single day, we need water, and without
Yes,
water
yes.
we can't do
Yes.
anything, right?
Yes, morning to evening we have, I can say, need water. Yes. And without water we can't do anything. Yes.
Yeah, great.
And now I also realize the value of water. Yes.
So how do you save
Yes,
water?
because
Do you have any I mean do you do anything for yourself that you can save water? Do you do anything?
actually here not do anything, but yeah, many I can say the we the rain. So that time we save the water, raining water. That also many people that's also do, and I can say we use wisely. So that's also I can say we save. If we have the I can say one bucket of water need, so that time we only we use it wisely. So that time half of bucket we use. So that's also we save.
So you are from Rajasthan,
Yes,
huh?
yes.
So Rajasthan, it's earlier I used to hear that Rajasthan, in Rajasthan, people are very, I mean, without water. I mean, there were less water. Earlier, I used to hear, but is it correct or not?
Actually, in
There
my
is there,
childhood, I
yeah, in
never faced that type of challenge. So yes,
yeah,
that's my
Rajasthan,
experience. I have lot of water,
lots of
and
water.
yes, and now I can say yes, little bit. We use tanker
Okay,
for
tanker.
water purpose, and now I can say new like the tank also built. So let's see in future, but now we use the tanker. So yes, now I can say scarcity
So
of
you
water.
have, so your side there are plenty of water, right?
Yes.
But I used to hear that in Rajasthan there are less water. I used to hear.
Yes, depend of
Oh,
area to area.
depend of.
Yes, I think other Jaisalmer, Badmer, there I think not that much water. That is desert area,
Yeah, desert area. You are not
and
living there,
yes,
desert area.
no, no, there is
Okay,
a
so
city
you
capital of Rajasthan. Yes,
okay, so you have a plenty of water. You are comfortable
yes,
with this. You are
yes.
comfortable with.
But yes. Uh, yes, we use only wisely.
Okay.
Yes,
You all are
that's
home
we
based water,
learn.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So do you do
Compared to in my earlier days.
earlier
Yes.
days you wasted water, but now you try to save water.
Yes.
Okay, great. So do you
That's I
do
learned.
plant? Yeah, do you do planting like after some time uh, a woman washing rice and some water like after washing something they save water and they try to.
Can you, your voice is
Hello?
sluggish. I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah,
Yes,
now am
your
I audible?
voice. Yes, now
Yeah,
audible.
sometime we see in our surrounding that
Okay.
yeah, after doing after washing rice and saves water they use for planting. Do you do like this?
Yes, we have small plant in and outside small plant also. Uh, yes, not but that much. Yeah, not that much compared to village. Yeah, there is plenty of water, and we also I can say planting also we do there. Yeah,
Do you like to
but in
planting?
city side not. Yes, I like time spent with nature, and we feel more relaxed. So
Yeah.
that's it. And I can say planting is very important for that is I can say the recycle water. Uh, I can say source of water, the sea and the river and pond. Like so, first the steam the water, and after making I think the cloud, and after the because of tree we have lots of tree in our land, so that time the tree attract the I can say cloud. So that time we through the raining, that's the process, and through this process, raining process, we yes get the water, and that this process we get water, and in I can say sea also and river also, and yes, I can say in pond and all, and well, I can say that absorb the water, and after yes, we also through the well we use that water we also use, and after I can say through the raining process, our crops that's also get water, and our animals also get water. So that's I can say plantation is very important for watering process, all of the process. Yeah.
Definitely. Great.
Yes.
So, have you ever seen in your surrounding while someone is wasting? I mean, repeat question. Okay. Have you ever seen in your surrounding someone was wasting water? Have you seen like this?
Actually, no, there is no no one wasting the water, because there is we use tanker, so that is costly. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So how? Yeah. Is there any? I mean, that. I mean, do you have any other plan that we can save water as and we can use whenever we feel that water has shortage, so we can use. Have you any plan?
Yes, we use I can say the rainwater. That's also we consume, not consume. I can say save the water.
Yeah.
Many people that do
Yeah.
nowadays, and make the big. I can say the pond also from for that water. That's just for saving purpose, and that's also do. And yes, if we doing wisely, we use water. So that's also I can say save. Yeah.
So, so do you have you ever tried to throw some garbage in river, pond? Have you tried in your life?
Actually, in my surrounding, not a river and not, I can say,
There were no, there are
yes,
no river.
no river, no river and not
Yeah,
pond,
sorry,
I think.
sorry.
Yes,
There is no river in your side.
yes, no,
No. Okay. So you never try
yes.
to throw,
Waterfall also, yes,
yeah, waterfall
in my,
area.
yes,
Okay, great. So you never try to throw in your life garbage in the river, pond, right?
actually, no.
Yeah. Many person,
Yes,
they go for, I mean, holy water, and they throw some
okay,
garbage into the river. Is it not good? I,
yes,
I
many people do
totally,
this.
yeah,
Yeah,
I totally deny because if we pollute water, then we have to face some kind of
many children.
diseases, right? So
Yes,
we
yes,
should try to not throw such kind of thing in the water, like a river,
yes, yes.
pond. We should don't we should not do like this. I must say. So, have you any question? I mean, sorry, do you have any question related to water for me?
Actually, no. Now I think we wrap up the session.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, great. And okay.
Thank you so much. Give me your precious time. I'm always grateful for that. Yeah.
Okay. So, thank you so much for reaching out and showing up and giving your precious time. I'm really enjoyed every bit of session. So, thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Bye.